Okay, so I got my conglomerate hose number 1 out. I put ends on my long sides. I'm doing short tails again because, like I said, it sucks trying to get to those directly. So I just do banjos and then it'll come down here-ish. Look at all the nice transmission fluid everywhere on everything. So yeah, I am getting this done, and then it'll have real clamped AN style rubber hose on it. Okay, so what I ended up doing was spinning the banjos loose so I could point the AN straight up and down and tighten the bejesus out of it, let's say that. So transmission is bolted back up in place. I am working on I ran them up front nice and zip tied them everywhere. I'm going to try to pull the front ones without spilling everything everywhere. So yeah, here's another, like a push on smooth and clamp. This is the one that I forgot to even put a clamp on the first time I started it. It was like bloop, and it just peed all over the ground. That was an easy fix. You just reach in here and hose clamp it. But yeah, all of it's getting replaced with that stuff. The nylon, screw together, higher pressure stuff. I feel like my modded transmission was just a recipe to continually pee out of this particular hose. I just had a ton of it and I wanted to use it, okay? Very sorry for ruining your weekends. So, moving on to getting it in your armpits, right?